I'm going to show you how to make chickpea flour pancakes. To make chickpea flour pancakes, you need 2 cups of chickpea flour, 1 tablespoon of semolina, or we call it a suji. You need 1 cup of yogurt. You need some water. Next step is to just take some lumps out, just whisking it dry here, and then start adding the ingredients. Some water. Let's not waste the yogurt. And whisk it. You can just keep adding the water a little bit at a time and whisking it, because the chickpea flour differs from each, from store to store, brand to brand. So the water amount will be very different at times. So just you need to add a little bit water at a time and keep whisking. Until all this thing gets sweaty. You can see that there are hardly any lumps, and it's all whisked together really nicely, and it's a sort of a thick pancake size. See the consistency better. And if you think you want thinner pancakes, more like a crepes, you can make this little more thinner. So it's really a choice what you want to do. So you can just make it like this. I just put a little bit more water, and so now my consistency is like this. Not too thick and not too runny. Now we are going to just let it sit, let this sit for a couple hours, and then we'll make the pancakes. And then you can cover it and let it sit for a couple hours. Now the batter is sitting for a couple hours, and this is how it looks. Now we are going to add these ingredients in this batter. Here I have cilantro, some chopped green onions, and 2 carrots that are grated. Let's add all these ingredients in the batter. And mix it. Alright. Now we'll add baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, a little more than half, I would say 1 teaspoon of salt, and salt is according to taste, so you can add less or more. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin. The spoon I have is half teaspoon, standard half teaspoon, and I am adding some black pepper in this. After that, let's just give it a good stir. So now I'm heating the pan on a very high heat, and I'll put a little bit of oil, or this is actually ghee, it's not an oil, but you can use oil or ghee or anything you wish. So I'm just doing it lightly on this pan, and we have to wait until it gets heated really good. Pan is heated right now, so we are going to put our batter on the pan and spread a little. So if you want to make it really thin, you can spread more and add more water to the batter. If you want thicker, you can leave as is, like I have it. It's just what you like. After you have put the batter on a hot pan, just lower the heat a little bit so it cooks, because it's thicker, it needs to cook all the way. So, and then put little bit of ghee or oil. You can put little bit on the sides to make it a little crispier and it won't stick at the ends. Even though it's a non-stick, sometimes things do like stick. So just do it on the side. Now you can see all the bubbles here. That's because we add a little baking soda. It gives a little fluffiness, just like we do it to the pancakes. And you can also see it's cooking at certain parts. It's cooked, and here it's still not cooked. You can see the same wet batter, and here you see the cooked batter. So let's give it a few more seconds. See, it's almost ready now, only except this part. Everything is ready to be flipped, and I think we can just go ahead and flip this. See how nicely it is from the other side, all cooked up. Now on the same low heat, we're going to keep the heat low. We are going to cook the other side and add a little bit of ghee on the other side. Chickpea flour just drinks up all the ghee all the time, so it's just really your choice how much ghee you want to put. When I make for kids, I add a lot of ghee. If I make it for myself, I have a little less ghee. Yeah, now it's ready. Looks like from the other side too, and ready to be flipped. So you can see that it's ready to be served. Here I have a plate. You can serve this with chutneys and sauces, whatever you like. But my kids, they like it with the sour cream, and I'm going to serve my son with the sour cream for his meal today. And if you like this recipe, please subscribe, like, and thank you for watching my video.